Ka office jong Deputy Commissioner ka Ri Bhoi District lengba katanat supply kalapan bena bau khaw na ka NFSA but non-NFSA na ka bentau benai July arajar arpau ukhaw bat usyana ubade jong ka Atma Nirbhar Bharat Migrants Non-PDS jong ubenai Mei bat ubenai Jun arajar arpau lapha syaki fair price shop ki bahap hapo ka Ri Bhoi District ki bakentup yau khaw basan kilo shikli breu ubom dan kam ban siu pisa bat usyana ubashi kilo shikli breu ubom dan kam ban siu pisa ki balong na ka bentau ubenai Mei bat ubenai Jun arajar arpau ka balong kat kum kajing penbait daki block development officers. Ukhaw AAY ubalai pesan kilo ka wei ka kad ration hakador ka balai tengka shi kilo. Ukhaw PHH ubasan kilo shikli breu ubah hakador lai tengka shi kilo. Bat ukhaw non-NFSA ubah nyo kilo arspa khatsan gram ka wei ka kad ration ubah hakador shipo tengka prapu arpisa shi kilo. Bat kito kilong ying ki bomdon kad ration henry kidon ka kerteng kum kinong yo jeng mentoi kidei ban yo la ka jong ka bahak jongki. Labtha ya baro ki wholesaler ban poi tikena sya kilong yeng kat kum ka kendon ka baar pusau jong ka National Food Security Act 2013. Ladalap ya ki wholesaler lane ki fair price shop dealer ki bashim pisa ya ukhaw bade ban sam e shik ba lane penduna jeng tho kingat ha ka kendon ain bah nyo jong ka Essential Commodities Act 1995 bat ka section balai jong ka Prevention of Black Marketing and Maintenance of Supplies of Essential Commodities Act 1980. Ia kene ko khobor la pelai pai ba ada ka office jong District Public Relation Officer Ri Bhoi District Nongpoh.